A shipping clerk is packing an order and finds a case of lithium batteries that needs a hazmat label. Normally, that means stopping the line, finding a separate system, and hoping the paperwork lines up. With Dynamic Ship in Business Central, Hazmat declaration happens right on the box. Set the hazmat code for that carrier, whether it's limited quantity, lithium battery marked, or a class-specific USPS code, and the label prints with the declaration already included. Mixed orders work too. Some boxes carry a hazmat code, others don't, all inside the same package worksheet. If Barcode Generator is installed, a sample hazmat sticker report gives your Microsoft partner a starting point to customize. Shipping clerks and warehouse managers get one consistent process instead of a separate hazmat workflow. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner or check out the links on this page.